Hey guys, today we're up at camp and today I'm doing a video on the Dyson ball. It comes with a stiff bristle, I can't say it, but a stiff bristle brush, a carbon fiber saw dusting brush, instant release wand, quick, light, versatile, self-adjust cross carpets and hard floors, no cleaner head to change, Dyson ball, total clean organ, strong suction, high performance on all floors. Only Dyson 5-year part in labor warranty has all of this. Support from Dyson experts on the phone, online, US-based dissection. Dyson expert on hand 6 day a week. Free shipping there and back to Dyson service help around the US for all repairs. No hidden charges, 5-year warranty, 5-star service rather. In the unlikely event that something goes wrong, your machine will be serviced by a Dyson technician using Dyson parts, which I did pay for that. I bought it at Walmart for $60 and it was $24 on the service. Dyson ball. I'm not gonna read all this. So let's get opened. I think you guys already saw this. Wait, no, you haven't. So let's open her up right now. With the warranty stuff, you do have to keep the box so you can ship it back and forth if it breaks. And the shipping is free unless you can do it at a store close to you. This is bigger than my other Dyson, just letting you know. Whiskey. Alright, here's the handle. Here's the crevice and the dusting and the holder. And this is the motor head. Total Clean Oregon. Dyson ball. Here's the handle. Now I'll show you what these two tools are in a minute. I'm going to be posting this video in a week, so it might not be on sale when you get it because I got this at a good deal. They had a lot of them in stock. They got extra in stock, so that's why it was $60 with a Dyson. Let me check the battery. Alright. There we go. See?
This is 7. You remember Oscar?
It's bigger than my other Dyson ball, which is good. Here's all the paperwork. See? Let's put it together. Right, this right here is like one of those dusting tools. It's meant for like getting between things or like on furniture. Or like your blinds, something like that. Here's your tough dusting brush for like clean up messes and things like that. So let's put it together. There's this button right here. Press that and she'll go in. Press it twice. the handle goes straight, like, see? Just go, just like that. See this? I know it looks huge, but this is gonna go right here. See this? Make sure this is balanced. Like, see this? That make sure that's right up, right there. Not right here, but this right here will go to here. Fit right there. See this? Take this part off without shooting it someplace. See this right here? Make sure that goes like right here after it's plugged in. Well, not plugged in, don't plug it in. But make sure this part is connected, I meant to say. And then, see this? Just push it in. Make sure you have it on the right way. See? There you go. There you have it. I have the DC 40 at my and the cord is a lot longer. See how long the and it can go on and on. I'm gonna end this video here. I'm not gonna test it, but I'll put the next video in the description. Make sure you watch this video first before looking in the description, alright? So I'll see you next time. Bye.